Rule number 17, never ask for the order. Make the prospect give up. Don't you remember the ABC rule? Always be closing? It's practically the golden rule of selling. Or is it? Let's examine closer. When you use a canned close like, would you like to take it home today or should we deliver it on Saturday? Or can you think of any reason why you would not buy this product today, sir? You're triggering the sniff response in the buyer. The buyer smells salesman and runs the other way, likely never to return. The old closes are all worn out and the buyer has been tired of being manipulated by salespeople for far too long. Instead of closing the buyer, adopt a new belief that the buyer must close him or herself. Get them to visualize you as the fix to their pains and don't get in the way of the close. So it's actually that easy if you trust it. You'll need some practice with the pain funnel and some of the other techniques, and they'll come over time. For now, go observe a few bad salespeople and promise yourself you're never going back to those days of manipulation and confusion. Oh, and did I mention selling is a whole lot more fun when the buyer closes himself? I invite you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, or for more information, you can also visit us at baileymarketing.sandler.com.